The secret to a perfect suit finishing. How to fix the front button like a professional tailor. Hello great people, welcome back to my channel. This is Giorich Fashion Academy. If you love fashion, tailoring and learning how to make your design look clean, professional and expensive, then you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you something very small but very powerful in suit making. How to properly fix the front button on a suit. My name is Erebi Saint and this is Giorich Fashion Academy. Let's dive straight into it. Many tailors sew buttons, but not every tailor knows how to fix it in a way that gives the suit a perfect finishing and luxury look. If you watch this video to the end, you will learn 3 things. Number 1, how to position the button correctly. Number 2, how to fix it professionally or how to fix it like a professional. Then number 3, why a well-fixed button can make your suit look 10 times better. And if you love content like this, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss powerful fashion tips like this. Let's begin. Number 1, why the front button is important. Many people underestimate the importance of the front button on a suit. But in reality, the front button controls 3 important things. First, the button of the suit. If the button is wrongly positioned, the suit will pull, wrinkle, or look uncomfortable. Secondly, the shape of the chest. When the button is properly fixed, it gives the chest area a clean and confident structure. Then number 3, the overall finishing of the suit. Luxury suits are known for their finishing details, and the button is one of these details. Note this, a poorly fixed button can make even a well-sewn suit look cheap, but a properly fixed button makes the suit look professional, premium and well-structured. That is why master tailor pays serious attention to these small details. Number 2, the correct button position. Before fixing the button, the position must be correct. The main button on a single button suit should sit around the natural waist area of the wearer. This position allows the suit to close naturally without pulling the fabric. To confirm the correct position, first, let the client wear the suit. Second, allow the front panel to rest naturally. Third, mark the point where the suit close comfortably. The mark becomes the button position. These small steps prevent issues like suit opening awkwardly, fabric pulling, or the lapel losing its shape. Good positioning creates balance and elegance. Number 3, how to fix the button properly. Now let's talk about how to fix this button professionally. Step 1, use a strong thread that matches the suit color. Step 2, insert the needle from the outside of the suit so that the knot is hidden. Step 3, pass the needle through the button holes several times. But here is a secret many tailors don't know. Do not tighten the button completely against the fabric. Leave a small space between the button and the fabric. This space is called a thread shank. A thread shank is important because when the suit is buttoned, the extra fabric thickness needs space to sit comfortably under the button. Without this shank space, the button will pull the fabric and distort the front of the suit. So the shank space is so very important when fixing your button. After sewing the button, wrap the thread around the base to strengthen the shank. Then secure the thread inside the suit lining. This technique makes the button strong, fusible and durable. Number 4, how to improve suit finishing. Just as you can see this suit, you can see the button holes perfectly made, the button perfectly fixed. As you will see shortly, I will show you how a customer wore this suit, and you can see how the suit sits properly on the customer. Let's continue. How to improve suit finishing. When the button is fixed properly, something amazing happened to the suit. First, the suit closes smoothly. Second, the front panel aligns perfectly. Third, the lapel sits naturally on the chest. This is what gives a suit a clean professional finishing. In luxury tailoring, these small details separate average tailoring from master craftsmanship. Anyone can sew fabric together, but true fashion professionals focus on precision and finishing. This is what makes a design stand out. So remember this, a suit is not only about cutting and sewing, it is about details. And one of these important details is how to fix the front button. When done correctly, it improves the structure, comfort, and elegance of the suit. If you are a tailor watching this video, start applying this technique and you will see your finishing improve immediately. If you learn something valuable from this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it to someone in the fashion industry. On this channel, we teach fashion skill, real tailoring knowledge, and real business wisdom. Some fabric look expensive, the design looks good, but something feels wrong. Many suits are ruined by poor finishing, especially the front button. A badly fixed button can make an expensive suit look cheap, but a properly fixed button can make a suit look luxury and professional. Once again, my name is Erebi Saint, and this is Giorich Fashion, where we focus on quality fashion, professional tailoring, and building skills that create wealth. On this channel, I share real tailoring knowledge that helps tailors improve their crafts and stand out. So if you want to become a better tailor, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And remember, a suit button must be strong and durable. Customer wear suit for wedding, meeting, and event. The button of a properly finished suit must not fall off easily. Use strong thread and sew through the holes multiple times, as I said earlier on. Remember, in tailoring, small details create big difference. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.